Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, Southern Angel Stamping. My name is Tammy. If you're new to my channel, please remember to click that subscribe button underneath, and also remember to click that bell so you'll be notified for all notifications. And also, if you'll remember to give this video a thumbs up, and remember to share and leave me a comment down below. I'd appreciate that. Doing all that really helps my channel to grow, and I really need to build up my channel, and I just really appreciate your comments. I do answer all my comments. So today is Saturday. I'm doing another vlog. I've already done one, and I'm updating here, doing another one. So I wanted to show you, my landlord came by after I'd done the first one, so I thought I'd do a short one here and show you what he's done and brought in. Here's the flooring for both my studio, art room, office, whatever you want to call it, craft room, and our bedroom is going to be this flooring right here. This is the name of it. It's a Eco Forest Natural Solid Bamboo Flooring. He said that this is what he decided to choose because it will hold up the longest. So, and it will go right on top of the old flooring. So I think this is beautiful. I love it. First we thought it was the light, and then we realized that it wasn't, because he said, well, I thought it was dark, and then he realized, oh, okay, yeah. So isn't this beautiful? I love it, and that's going to look so nice because I do have white furniture. So I love this. I really wish that was going all through the apartment. I tell you what, that is just so pretty. I can't wait to see that. And it is the tongue and grooved. So he said it'd take about 4 hours to put in. So I'm going to be coming and doing that. I don't know if he's doing that tomorrow or one day next week. And then he's got a new fan to put in. So we got that there. This is a fan that's going up in here in the bedroom, and it'll be going up right there. And it does have a remote control. And since these ceilings are so high, and then because this one here, I have to get longer chain, because you see my makeshift chain right now. I have to get a longer chain, and I really don't like that. Don't like how the chain is, but I think if I just get maybe a chain that's about right there, maybe, because I know that's going to be irritating for people to walk under. And I had hoped we could do the little sliding thing over here, but I think he said that we couldn't do it in this room because there is one in the kitchen. Let's see, what else do we have to update? I don't know if I showed this yet, but I got this. This was something that was left in. I'm going to be repainting this, so I don't know if I showed that in one of my other videos or not, but I am going to be repainting that. And this is what I'm talking about. This is a little slider that works the fan in the kitchen, and there's going to be one in here in this room as well. There's one for the light, one of the lights. There's like spotlights in here. Then this works a light, and then this works a fan. And he's going to have one put in for there, for that fan as well. So let's go in here. My daughter came by and brought my canisters, so I started putting my canisters up there. And, oh, okay, landlord came and did this. Isn't that nice? It was supposed to be like a pull-out trash can, and he was going to redo that. But I didn't want a pull-out trash can because we have our own big trash bin. So I didn't want it under the cabinet trash bin. I wanted storage. I would rather have some extra storage in a cabinet than a pull-out trash bin. Now y'all may be thinking, well, pull-out trash bin's pretty neat. But like I said, we have a brand new, nice big trash bin that my husband had just bought right before we moved. So I thought I really didn't need a pull-out trash bin, and with very little storage here, I needed storage, and I wanted something to be able to put maybe some pans or some lids or things like that. So he made this for me so that way I could put things in here on the sides like that, and then slide it back in there like that. And then he did fix, there was a shelf that went in there, and he took that and put it down in there for that one. So that's been fixed. And then he went ahead and fixed those shelves. And so now those are fixed. So, and then I've still got to put shelf paper in there. And I went ahead and I have scrubbed and scrubbed, and I got all that scrubbed. This whole cabinet here has been scrubbed. I've scrubbed the inside. It's nice and clean. The inside of this one has been nice and clean, and I have no idea why there's a plug there. We're hoping he can cap that one off and move it over here, so we've got electricity over there. But we haven't gotten that far yet. But anyway, this has all been cleaned out and scrubbed out, so it's nice and clean and ready to go. And I've got to finish scrubbing down the rest of them and cleaning the rest of them out. And then that one he was gonna hang, but I think I had told him I don't think I'm really gonna want it up because I think it'll look funny since it doesn't fit all the way across. And I think I'd rather just not have a cabinet over the refrigerator and just use some baskets, large baskets up there. I think it would look better because I think it's going to look funny, to be honest. And I'll just not have a cabinet there because it doesn't fit all the way. And unless he gets it way up there, and that's probably going to be hard for him to do. So yeah, I don't think I'll have that one. So that's all for today, this evening, that we've gotten done. I'm sorry for shaking the camera there. That's what he got done. And then what I've been able to do today, I've just had to take it really slow. And oh, I wanted to show you what my daughter got me. She got these eraser daddies scrubbing gems, and they come two in a pack. Keep seeing cars go by. And then whoops, dropping them. These are Scrub Daddy Sponge Daddy There's 4 of those. And then this one is a Scrub Daddy, the original Scrub Daddy. Okay, and then she got, what's over here? She brought this also, the Dawn Platinum Power Wash. So she got that stuff and brought to me for me to try out and see how I like that. And I haven't tried the sponges yet, but I did try that Dawn Power Wash, and I love that stuff. That stuff is great. I can't wait to try the all the sponges out. So I'm excited to try those out. I'll let you know how those work. The Dawn Power Wash, the landlord and I, we were trying those out on some of the cabinets, and boy, those work great. Just worked the use those on with some paper towels, and they cleaned up great. So sorry, I'm like squirrel. I'm not used to being in the city seeing all these cars go by. So yeah, I'm thrilled that she got that for me to use. And anyway, so that's it. My husband's been all day with actually our landlord's 2 sons. They've been getting everything out of storage, one of our big storage unit today, so that we didn't have to pay on it again. He got a U-Haul, and they were doing that all day. So I'm sure he's pretty wiped out. So I've been waiting on him to get back this evening. And we're not ready to move furniture in yet, not until they get the flooring in at least. And we still have to get the trim baseboards painted as well. But the landlord's going to be letting us store things in the spare apartment, and he's got a building downstairs also that we can store stuff in, so that we don't have to pay that high storage and try to pay rent too, because we can't afford both. So that's real nice of him. So anyway, that's about it. And I see the U-Haul coming up right now. Boy, that is a big U-Haul. So I will see y'all again soon, and thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you again.